How to add loyalty cards and rewards to Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep all your loyalty cards in one place, well, in this video I will show you how to add loyalty and reward cards to your Google Wallet in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on Add to Wallet button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, from the full of list of options, simply tap on Loyalty Card. And now here you will see list of all popular brands. So here you can also use the search bar to find your store. And now here, once you have selected the store, now next, either you can scan the barcode on your physical loyalty card or enter the membership number manually. And some cards may even pop up automatically when you are near a store, so you never miss out on rewards again. And that's how you can add loyalty cards to Google Wallet in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.